In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could add Rocket League to your Steam library here on PC, quick and easy. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if you want to add Rocket League to Steam, you essentially have to add it as a non-Steam game since it's no longer on there unless you previously had it downloaded. Go ahead and close out of Rocket League first, and what you're going to want to do is actually open up Steam. Now, I actually already have this added, but open up Steam, make sure it's updated, and once it does load for you, go ahead and look immediately down. In the left corner, you're going to see an option that says add a game. Go ahead and select that and then find the option to add a non-Steam game. Select it. It's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this. And what you're going to want to do is hit browse. This is going to redirect you to, a new page. And essentially what you need to do is find your Rocket League application file. For most people, this is going to be under Program Files, Epic Games, Rocket League, Binaries, and then Win64, and you'll see it. But you may have to go into Program Files x86, but essentially just open this up, find the Epic Games launcher, since that's where you're pretty much going to have it installed. Select Rocket League, Binaries, Win64, select it, and then hit Open. Now, as I said, I already have this, but it's going to pop up in here. Just select it, and then hit Add to Steam. And then as you can see, if I go to my library, Rocket League is right here. You can customize this game page however you'd like, but you can also just launch it directly from Steam. It's really convenient. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.